Today I'm going to show you guys how to wash a motorcycle, how I wash my motorcycle. So what you're going to need is a paddock stand, at least a rear paddock stand. Otherwise you're going to be rolling your bike around the entire yard. So if you don't have a paddock stand, make sure you have a big enough yard. But yeah, I've got a back paddock stand. I don't have a front, and it makes it easier to clean the chain. Alrighty guys, these are the things you're going to need. Inside this bottle here, I've got a bit of a degreaser, and then obviously some chain lube. You'll need a little bit of a brush to brush down your chain and clean that up. Pressure hose with some foam, which will be nice for the bike, and then a rag and a washcloth with a bucket. So let's get to it. I'm going to start off with the chain. What I've like to do first is to spray the entire chain with some of the degreaser. And the wheel as well, because a lot of the dirt and stuff that needs to come off there, like basically wherever you want some degreaser. I just like to spray it out, and then I like to just spray some on my brush as well. And then find the link of the chain and start there. Just start scrubbing it out. Obviously, you know not to put too much pressure. It's basically just to get the dirt and the old lube and all of that out. And as you need, you spray some of the degreaser on and just continue. So a lot of the brushes that you get for cleaning chains come with the 3 heads, and the one goes at the back of the chain. So obviously I'll have to still hit that point. So that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, then you just want to hit all the other parts that you sprayed with your degreaser, and don't forget the sprocket. And you see all that dirt and grime getting out there. So don't forget to hit your sprocket, guys. Sprocket is very important. Alright, now that that's done, let's give it a bit of a hose down on the chain and the wheels, and wherever you put some degreaser, just hose it all off. Alrighty, so now that you're done with the chain, now you can actually do the entire bike. So I've just covered up my phone holder here. It has a charging port to it. It does have, well, they do say it's waterproof, but I don't want to take my chances just yet. And I've got a bucket of soapy water. I've decided not to use the high pressure hose today. And inside that soapy water, I just got some bubble bath. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So now you just take your mitt. Ugh. And you get at it good and nice. So I used a bit of a warm soapy water. I feel like it helps take out the dirt easily. Don't forget to get your pipe, guys. Pipe is important. Always have a clean pipe. That's done. Just give your bike a nice hose down again. Get all of that soap out. Alright, and then you can start drying. So you can either use chamois or microfiber cloth to dry. I usually use the chamois, but today I'm actually going to use the microfiber cloth and see what it's like. This is actually quite nice, man. Feels like a dream. Actually dries pretty well with microfiber cloth. Alright, so now I just let it sit for a while and then I come back and I do the chain. Always remember to start your bike just after you wash it, just to get that excess water and vapor and stuff out of the bike. Now that your bike has been standing for a while, it's dried up a bit more. So now you can lube your chain. So I've got some chain lube and I found the link on the chain. I've also put a cloth down here at the bottom so that I don't mess any part of my bike with the chain lube. So I'll just put a little bit of an old rag, and yeah, let's get to lubing. So a lot of people have other ways of doing it, other ways of lubing their chain, of washing their bike, and so on and so forth. This is my way. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and hit the bell notification so you're notified whenever I release a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.